Hi, welcome. So I'll be showing you how to create Alipay account in this video. Okay, so you need Alipay for you to be able to pay for your goods, for you to do pay for me service on Pinduoduo. You need Alipay account. Without much ado, let's dive into the video. Please, if this is your first time watching our video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. This is very important. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. So let's open our Alipay. This is Alipay symbol. This is how it look like. So I click it and then I click on sign up. Okay, can you see? Click on sign up and then click this. Sorry, this you see this country code. Click it so you can change it to your own country. So let me change into my own country, which is Nigeria. Sorry, Nigeria. Okay. So I enter the number. Okay, you click on agree. So let's wait. Let's wait for them to send us the code. Let me pause it so it will not be too. So guys, I've been waiting for some time now. They did not send the number. So let me try and change the phone number. Okay, let me change the phone number. 9031765606. So let's see if they will send it this time. Okay, so they sent it 546288. Okay, so let's wait for it. And our Alipay, see something like enter international version or set later. Don't click on set later. Do you get? Because you are not a Chinese mainland user, so you have to enter international version. If not, it will not show you like this. See this thing here, you see me icon, message, home button, message, and me icon. If you change it to international version, this is how it will look like. Okay, so click on enter international version. Let's wait for it. Our Alipay is ready. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Okay, for you to do this, you need to download Alipay from your Play Store or Apple Store. You need to download Alipay first. Okay, so the next thing I'll do from here is to click on my me icon. You see me icon here, click on it, click it, and then you see this small sign here, this small, sorry, see this small sign here. Can you see it? So that's your settings. That's settings. So click it, and then you see account and security. That we need to set login password. If not, you need to be entering password every time you want. You need to be requesting for password and code from them. So that's why it's important to set your login password. Okay, so from here now, let's wait for it to load. Let's wait. So for you to buy on Pinduoduo, you need this. That's if you don't have verified Alipay, you need to do a pay for me service. You need this. So here now, I will click. They will send me another code. So let's wait if the code will come in now. Let me pause it when I get the code. Okay, the code just came in now. So 420070. I needed to be very fast. Oh, it didn't end. Okay, it went. Okay, so from here now you set your login password. Okay, from 80 to 20 characters, numbers or letters. So I will pause it to set my password. So I've set my password. Then I will click on save. You click on save. Okay, so save it. Login password set successfully. Okay, so now we have set our login password. Let me show you how to set your payment password as well. Okay, so you go back and then you click here. Instead of account and security, now you click on payment settings. So you click it. I don't know why it's saying you should set this thing first, and we need to. It always show it like this, so I don't know why it's now doing like this. Okay, fine. So now we need to set 6 digit code. 6 digit code. So I will pause it. You need it for you to be able to make payments, just like our normal bank here. That after you have entered the amount you want to send, you have chosen the bank and all. You need to enter payment code, payment password. So it's the same on Alipay too. So I'll pause this video to enter my own. So I've entered it now. Click on next. I'll click on next. Okay. So next, payment password added. Can you see it? Enable now. I don't want to use fingerprint, so I'm not enabling it. I'm going back. Okay. I'm going back. Okay, so we have set payment password. We have set our login password. Now I want to show you how to verify your Alipay. So click here. Then click account and security again, and then you see identity information. Can you see verify now? But I'm not going to verify it, so I just want to show you. I already have a verified Alipay account. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video, so I don't have a passport to verify it yet. Okay, so let's wait. I just want to show you how it look like, so you won't make mistake. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Can you see enter your full name, enter your identity card number, which is your international passport card number, and then you follow. After this page, you'll bring another page where you enter, you scan the pass, you put the data page of the passport and all, and it's as simple as that. You will do your face, you choose face verification. They will verify your face, that to know if it matches that of the one in the international passport. Okay, and before you know it, mine did not take up to 2 hours. They verified me already. Okay, so let me go back. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, so you go back. If you want to access, your your settings again, this is what you do. If you find yourself in page like the data of the home page of Alibaba Alipay, this is what you click, this me icon here. Once you click it, then you come to this place, and then you click on settings. Can you see it? Can you see settings? Can you see it? So we have come to the. Okay, let me tell you another thing. See, if you want to set your nickname and you want to put your passport, you click, just click it. Let's wait for it to load.